Hi, everybody. I'm Kenji Yamanami, the CEO of Smart Opinion. So everybody talk about the ultrasound today, but our solution is also ultrasound. So we use AI for ultrasound for the breast cancer. Actually, I was a researcher of AI previously, but 10 years ago, my mother, got breast cancer. And talk with my old friend, who is a professor at the Keio Hospital, which is a top private hospital in Japan. And we developed the AI for that. And early detection is very important. If detection is earlier than before the stage 1, almost 100% the survival rate is a breast cancer. And in Japan, we use more often the ultrasound for the screening. So ultrasound is good at detecting invasive cancer compared to the mammography. And especially for the women with a dense breast, so the ultrasound works, but the mammography, have a lower sensitivity in the case. Our AI called the METIS Eye auto-detect the lesion and judge whether it needs a diagnostic testing or not. And in red, the doctor consider the detailed examination after that. Our feature is sensitivity high, like a 90%, as well as a specificity high, 90%. So we avoid false negative as well as a false positive as well. And we detect a small cancer, and then the typical window for the early detection is one time in mammography, 1 year. But our solution will prolong the window to the 3 years in theory. So high chance of early detection with our solution. So our team is quite global and from a bit different background. We have professor level clinical officer. And also, I lived in the US for long, and now I'm back to Japan. But I'm a serious entrepreneur, building multiple unicorn business, like a 500 million or 1 billion business before. And I work at McKinsey and MIT and various backgrounds. Also, we have a breast cancer survivor for the marketing guy, and so we are quite patient-centric company, and doing everything for the patient. And traction so far, we got the PMD approval, which is a Japanese version of FDA. And now we have a launch customer and the feature in magazine. And also, our aim is to use it for the population-based screening in Japan. So we involve the government and even minister level politician supported us. Our business model is quite simple, and we have pay-per-patient model, and we expect the insurance provider cover for that. Gross profit is very high. And during the program, we fine-tune our model, with the Mayo data, and after that, we expect the FDA approval clearance, 510K, and fine-tune the business model. Impact metrics, so early detection save a lot for the treatment cost, so $85,000 in average. And also, the federally last year regulated notification of breast cancer. So, the notification will be shared with the insurance provider. So I guess that even in US, there could be a new way of screening needed. Thank you so much.